Today's episode is 48's reaction to Pinkerton's snore gets replaced with number block 79 snore, and this video has been requested by Choni Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Hi, I'm 48. I'm going to do a reaction on Pinkerton snore gets replaced with number block 79 snore, but it's quite a bit off. But anyways, enjoy the reaction.
What?
Okay, no more purorum snores Pinkerton. You know very well it could make us feel irritated. And your final result? You're doing absolutely fine with the hovercraft snore. Hey. The video ended. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 183.